First, why should this generation learn English? That is the first question that I sent to you through email, so we can discuss and hear your lovely insights about it. The floor is yours, Professor.
Well, we live in a very tightly interconnected world that offers a great many benefits, but to open the door, you have to have the key.
Yeah.
The key is to be fairly fluent in what is at the moment the general international language of interchange, communication, publication, and so on. Now it happens to be English. 20 years from now, it may be Chinese. Time in the future, it may be Arabic, as it once was centuries ago. At one time, it was Latin. This is transitory. When I started teaching 70 years ago at MIT, the world's major scientific engineering university, I was teaching French and German to graduate students, because if they wanted to have access to the scientific culture of the day, they had to know French and German. Now you have to know English.
Yeah.
That I should say that one of the serious errors of my own life, just to add a personal comment, had to do with Arabic. 75 years ago, when I was a student, I did learn Arabic. Learned enough to be able to read newspapers, a book, to converse with people. Unfortunately, over these many years, I let it lapse, which is a great gap in my understanding of the world and my ability to comprehend critical elements of the world. Mistake I shouldn't have made, and I don't think that others should make.